Good morning, students. I hope all of you fit and fine at your home and your study going well. Student, today we will revise again the care of teeth. Our teeth help us to tear and bite and chew food. So it is very important to take care of our teeth. When we eat the food, small bites of the food get stuck between the teeth and bacteria and germs start growing and feed on this food. Okay, so it's compulsory to take care of your teeth and regular brushing and different use the face wash, mouthwash and this one for cleaning them. Okay, we all know that teeth are the very important for us, as all of you knowing the teeth are very important, so we must take good care of our teeth to keep the teeth healthy and prevent tooth decaying. You must follow some given tips, just like the brush your teeth in morning and at night before going to bed. Don't eat too much sweets and chocolates, they spoil the teeth. And rinse your mouth after every meal. Massage your gums every day to make them strong. Eat raw fruits and vegetables like radish, carrot, apple, etc. Use dental floss for cleaning between the two teeth. Calcium and vitamin C are necessary to healthy teeth and gums. So make sure you have milk, cheese, etc., which are rich source of calcium. Don't forget to visit your dentist once every 6 months. It means after every 6 months go for checkup. Okay. Are you knowing the doctor will check your teeth? That is called dentist. Okay. All doctors are the specialists of the different disease. So this one, the doctor specialist of the teeth, they are called dentist. Okay. How to brush? All of you brush your teeth regular basis, but how can you brush? Regular brushing of teeth is best way to keep the teeth healthy. Brush your upper teeth with down stroke and lower teeth with upper. When you are brushing upper teeth with down stroke and lower teeth with upper, brush at the back of teeth. Brush the flat surface of premolar and molars. In this manner we can brush in proper manner. After that we should use the mouth fresher, so our mouth is also feeling the fresh and also kill the some microbes, some germs are there, and our teeth are there safe, and we can eat each and everything easily. And otherwise the tooth decaying, if we are not take care of our teeth, tooth decay is there. Main thing, all of us sometimes we are suffering from the toothache. How can the tooth decay? So we when we eat our food bites, food get stuck between our teeth. This becomes the breeding ground for bacteria. These bacteria form a thin stick layer called the plaque, and this plaque produce the acid which start dissolving the enamel, leading to the tooth decay. These bacteria slowly make a hole in the tooth, then they affect the dentine and finally the pulp. When the bacterium infection reaches to the nerves inside the pulp, they cause the severe pain. Tooth decaying result in a foul smell from the mouth, toothache and cavity and the indigestion. Okay, so take care of your health, student. Brush your teeth daily and 2 times one a day, early in the morning and before going to the bed. Okay, student, read this chapter properly, learn the book exercise. Today I sent the question answer with this video. Learn it and note down in your science copy. Thank you. God bless you.